I'm Jessie Janae and you're watching Unboxing Things, a show where we unbox your favorite brands and we just talk about the box. Because here at Lumi, we make boxes, lots of them for all the modern brands that you're a big fan of. Without further ado, let's see what's in our mailbox today. You guys, we're unboxing Billie, a modern women's shaving brand that ships on subscription. First off, I want to comment on how the box is nice and bright. It has a beautiful logo filled with pop colors. This is not your standard e-com box. When this shows up on your doorstep amongst your sea of brown boxes, this is going to stand out. The other thing that I noticed is the shipping labels on the back. That's great because it doesn't interfere with the nice design on the front. I can see the fluting popping through, and I'm gonna grab my handy dandy flute identifier. Yep. I think we're dealing with an E-flute here. E-flute is actually a commonly used type of corrugate board. When you want to have a more compact design, it has a nice strength to it, similar to some of the larger and thicker flutes, but you can actually do tighter folds, which can create a nice tight feeling to a box when it's in this smaller size range. This is not a direct print box, folks. Nope, it is not. What does that mean? Well, a direct print box is when the actual printing press and printing plates go right over the corrugate itself. But in this case, it looks very much as though this white piece of paper here was printed with this Billie logo separately, and then the paper or surface substrate here was bonded to the corrugate after. And what I can tell is that the level of print fidelity that we're getting here, and also the material itself, is not commonly a direct print substrate. When I stare this box in the face, what does it tell me? It tells me a lot of things. Some of them are secret, some of them are just for me in the box. But the other part I'm going to share with you. I can see that there's 5 colors on this box. You got the red, you got the pink, you got the orange, you got the blue, and then bam, you got black on the side as well. MyBillie.com, the new body brand. Just a quick slice there, and now I'm going to open it. Hi, hello, double greeting. Time to give your lady bod some love. It's really cute. So, and then inside I see here that there's another piece of packaging. It's a laminated pouch. And then when I pull this out, I'm greeted with more writing here. It says, got questions? Let's talk, hello@mybillie.com. Now, Billie has chosen to use a box and then put a laminated pouch on the inside to hold the contents of their actual order. When I open this up, I can see that there's additional packaging components inside. This is most likely my razor. There's a collateral card here. And then there's another little component. This is actually the holder for my razor, the magnetic holder. It says a holder for your handle. It's magical, pretty cute. And then there's my first replacement razor head. So all of these components fit in here. And you can see what would happen if they hadn't done the bag inside. It would just be like floating around, right? So there's different ways to hold components into a box. They could do a corrugated insert, but in this case, probably different orders come with different supplies. And so by having a bag, it allows them to have variation and probably accommodate different types of orders, all with one set and suite of packaging. This also has the Billie logo. It's a laminated pouch, and on the inside it's actually kind of iridescent. Really creates a nice, interesting look for the brand. It actually adds a pop of intrigue. Like, I didn't expect that when I was opening it. And on the back as well, the new body brand, MyBillie.com. This beautiful, tiny little collateral piece here. This collateral piece is a really nice mixture of brand messaging, what they're passionate about, and just straight up instruction, attaching your holder in your shower, etc. So this gives me everything I need to know. And then I've got little doodads here as well. And when I open this baggie, this laminated pouch, I've got my holder in there. And then I also have another, oh my gosh, little, okay, you guys. This is the tiniest of tiny, okay? This is an envelope. I don't know if you can appreciate this, and it actually tucks in on the back, and I can open it up. Inside is a little itty bitty, tiny extra piece of adhesive in case I need extra adhesive to put my holder up in my shower or wherever I raise. Is using a razor, can I say I've just raised? I'm raising? I don't know. Look how adorable this is. Boop. What I appreciate about this is so many things. I appreciate that it's an itty bitty tiny envelope, but I also appreciate that they're thinking of every detail. Some brands might be like, you need to put this up in your shower, like good luck, like there's instructions online. But Billie is paying attention to not just giving me instructions on how to do it, but thinking through what might go wrong and actually including everything I need right here in this box. All right, guys, I missed something. Rewind. Also in the box, there's another piece of writing and it says, come hang with us at Billie. That's their social handle and they're reminding you of that right there. We haven't even gotten to the main attraction yet, folks. All right, boom, Billie on one side. This is a slider. You know how I love a slider. I love drawers in general. When I pull this drawer out, it says the new body brand. I love that. I love a reveal. Okay, now I'm looking at the other side. You guys can't see it. All right, it says, so long prickles. That's fun. Ah, boom. It's a surprise from every dimension. They're thinking through everything. You've got design on all three sides, so long prickles, the new body brand, illustration, and we haven't even gotten to the razor. They've got their logo on repeat, kind of like a step and repeat pattern, and then of course the product itself. Now, I'm sure it's a beautiful product. This is not what we talk about. You want to try it? You should order, okay? This is about the box. So this carton has an inner carton component. At first it looks like it's kind of integrated in, but actually if you just kind of pull, it's just folded and put into place. Just a very simple piece of carton board though, that when put into the box, cradles the razor so that it stays right in formation for you to receive. This material and this material are all the same. This is what this looks like, flat. You can see how something that looked really simple when I pulled it out of the box, it just looked like this, has these other components in place, and that's actually what makes it a functional piece of packaging. We've really covered most of the pieces. So what you've got going on here, 2 laminated pouches, a piece of collateral, tiny little envelope, also the carton for actually holding the razor, and the box itself. So there's quite a few packaging components going into this full brand experience. I think it's time to roll in the recap. Billie's packaging is great for a lot of reasons, but here's my top 3. 1, it's immersive. For the product that they're shipping me, the razor, the holder, there's actually packaging and components for every single thing that I'm receiving. It's also glamorous. How they take shipping me a razor and make it feel like an experience of like womanhood and something that I'm actually kind of like diving into that makes me feel glamorous, I don't know, but somehow they pull it off. And 3rd, it's celebratory. This is not just a box, this is a celebration of womanhood, a celebration of smooth legs, and all of the things that I'm gonna receive by actually becoming a Billie customer. That's Billie Unboxed.